Adventitious roots play a unique role in the lives of many plants, forming on bulbs, corms, and rhizomes. These roots are typically long and have the ability to contract, which is why they are called contractile or pulling roots. They help the bulb penetrate deeper into the soil before the onset of unfavorable periods such as winter or drought. Roots often serve as reservoirs for stored nutrients, becoming succulent and fleshy, and transforming into root crops. For example, in biennial plants like carrots, beets, turnips, and parsley, the primary root or underground base of the stem expands and accumulates nutrients during the first year. In the second year, these reserves are consumed to produce flowers, fruits, and seeds. Stored nutrients can also be deposited in lateral or adventitious roots, forming fleshy root tubers, which also facilitate reproduction. Tuberous thickened lateral roots are found in dahlias, Illyrian buttercups, meadowsweet, and sweet potatoes, while tuberous thickened adventitious roots are characteristic of lesser celandine. In many tropical plants, adventitious roots develop on aerial organs such as trunks and branches. Since they originate in the air rather than the soil, they are called aerial roots. Their functions are incredibly diverse and sometimes so unexpected they seem like fiction. For instance, in the woody evergreen vine known as Colchicum ivy, these are clinging roots. With their help, the ivy anchors itself in crevices in tree trunks, building walks or rocks, lifting its stem to heights of up to 30 meters. In some tropical orchids, the aerial roots are ribbon-like and have numerous root hairs on their underside for attachment and the absorption of water and salts. The upper side of these roots contains chlorophyll, allowing them to perform the function of leaves. Other orchids produce long roots hanging in the air, covered by a specialized tissue called velamen, which consists of several layers of dead cells with holes in their walls. The velamen absorbs rainwater like a sponge, which the plant then uses gradually. Adventitious roots can also provide structural support for the stem. These prop roots form on the branches of tropical trees, such as many species of ficus and certain palms. Upon reaching the soil, they take root and begin absorbing water and minerals. Stilled roots are strong aerial roots that form on branches and the lower part of the trunk. The lower trunk may even die off after these roots reach the soil and become established. As a result, the tree stands on these supports as if on stilts. Such adventitious roots are formed by pandanus and many mangrove trees.